Okay, the definition of a parallelogram is a quadrilateral where it's with both pairs of opposite sides parallel. The way we show this on a diagram is we make parallel marks. So I would say this line is parallel to this line, and I have to use a different marking on this. So I say this line is parallel to this line. Okay, the properties are that both sides, or let's say both pairs of opposite sides, are congruent. In other words, the way we show this is when we write a parallelogram, we say this is the same length as that, and this is the same length as that. But they're not necessarily the same length altogether, just this and this are the same, and this are the same. It's also true that both pairs of opposite angles are congruent. And the way we show that is when you draw a parallelogram, we say this angle is the same as that, and this is the same as that. Okay, the third thing is we're going to say that the diagonals bisect each other. And in other words, when we draw a parallelogram, this distance is the same as that, and this is the same as that. A bonus that we know is that same side interior angles are supplemental. In other words, this angle and this angle, why don't we just call that A and B? A plus B equals 180. Okay, we're given that this is a parallelogram, so we want to find all these values. Well, first of all, x has got to be 80 because those angles are the same. So we'll say x equals 80. The opposite sides are the same, so let's say A is 6 and B is 9. And finally, these are supplemental, so x, which is 80, plus y is 180, so y must be 100. Okay, this is a parallelogram. So now I know that these opposite angles are the same. So x is 56. In a parallelogram, these opposite sides are the same. So if this is parallel to this, that makes these 85 and z alternate interior angles. And alternate interior angles are the same, so z must be 85. Okay, and I have a triangle here, and those angles must add up to 180. So I have 56 plus 85 plus y is 180. So that means that y is equal to 180 minus 56 minus 85. So y must be 39. Okay, so if this is a parallelogram, this side and this side are congruent, so A is equal to 12. We also know that the diagonals bisect each other. So this must be equal to this because they bisect each other. So B must be 9. And because this is a parallelogram, this side is parallel to this side. That makes this a transversal of two parallel lines. So this and this are alternate interior angles, and they're the same. So Y is 45. Finally, we know that same side interior angles are supplemental. So this angle, this entire angle, and this entire angle here are supplemental, meaning they add up to 180. So I'm going to say that x plus 45 plus 35 must be equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 45 minus 35, which comes out to 100.